What's going on, credit kings and queens? In today's video we're going to talk about second chance bank accounts, particularly the Wells Fargo opportunity checking account. How can this help you if you've been in check systems before? There you go. Welcome back. You've been here before. Welcome to, if this is your first time here. My name's EJ. This is Central Digital Media, and on this channel, man, we talk about me, my journey to get my credit score to 800, and on the way, I'm giving you guys tips and tricks and things you can do to get your score up as well. This is a personal finance channel, and we talk about money, finance, manifestations, credit cards, everything, man. So we're gonna get everything going here soon. But thank you guys for watching this video, and if you guys found value in this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and get in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Now, today we're going to talk about Wells Fargo opportunity checking account. Why would you need this account? Like I said, this is a second chance account, meaning that if you can't get a traditional main account like you could with any other big banks or credit unions, you can use this account to establish that you can handle having a bank account again. Now, the Wells Fargo one is a little bit cheaper. I'm talking about this one personally because I have this one as well. If you guys know, if you check this video, I've been in check system before, and that can really mess you up. You can be in check system for a variety of ways to check that video out, and you guys can see why. But you go to Wells Fargo and you try to apply for an account, and they say you can't, but they check to see if you qualify for their second chance account, which is I'm gonna call it a limited account, but it's basically like a child's account. You can't do nothing. Like, it operates, you have a card just like everybody else. You have the NFC where you can pay, tap to pay, all that. You have all the normal features. The only downside is you can only take out $500 a day from the ATM. Now, or spend $500 a day on your card, unless you go to the bank to take that money out. So if you pay your car note, that's $450, and you go to the store and you try to spend $60, your card's gonna get declined. So that's the main drawback of this account, is they're limited to how much you can spend. It's your money, but unless you go to the bank and pull it out, you can't use it to its fullest ability. On top of that, they just changed it now. I forgot what it was, but you have to have direct deposits, a certain amount, or use a certain amount of transactions a month, but they've changed that. So I think it's just the direct deposits now. $500 or more on your direct deposit, you can avoid the monthly fees. But you can use this account to help build a relationship with Wells Fargo, to show them that you can handle it. I've had this account. No, they say that it automatically upgrades. Now listen, I've had this account for almost a little bit over 2 years now. Yeah, 17. I got in 2018. Yeah, I got in 2018. So they say it will automatically upgrade on its own to a normal account. That's what they told me. Needless to say, I didn't know at the time what check system was. So they don't automatically upgrade you until you're removed from check system, from what I'm gathering. Because I actually I called them and asked them to reconsider, since I'm virtually out of check system now from closing my account, or clearing things up with Chase, and they told me that I'll have to reapply for another account. So I don't know where the miscommunication is here. Is it gonna upgrade by itself, or do I have to apply for a new account? So it's a gamble that if it's gonna upgrade or not. Like, I haven't said anything about mine. I've never overdrafted this account. I've never done anything wrong to it. Like, it's been a perfect account since I've had it. So I don't know what to tell you guys on that one, to be honest with you. Now, you will need a minimum amount to open it, for $25 if I remember right, to open an account. They're gonna verify here, so they're gonna run your credit. They'll soft pull in your credit to verify who you are. You have to make sure you're employed, because that's a big part of your income is your employment. They want to make sure you guys can handle the money. And the only way you can get this account is you have to be denied for a regular account. Now, they say that it will be reviewed at the 1-year mark, and from what I've heard, that's what the lady told me when I first signed up for the account too. They reviewed it at the 1-year mark to see if you would be eligible for the upgrade. I'm well past the 1-year mark, and I haven't heard anything yet. Haven't even seen any signs of them upgrading me. So don't overdraft, don't do anything wrong, and you'll have a higher chance. That's all I can say about that. Either way I go, my plan is to actually close that account anyway next year, and just move fully over to Chase, and just have a business checking account with Wells Fargo and the business secured credit card with them, and have my personal banking through Chase. And because Chase business account is a little bit more expensive than Wells Fargo, I'm just not the hugest fan of Wells Fargo, to be honest with you. They've had some questionable things in the past. The CEO's had some questionable things about racism this year. So, you know, it just, Wells Fargo kind of rubs me the wrong way a little bit sometimes. But they do give you a second chance checking account, which can be helpful for you if you're trying to rebuild your credit or you need a bank account for any type of personal needs. They can help you out. Big banks carry more weight than, you know, having like a Chime account or Green Dot, anything like that. It carries more weight. So I don't know, it's up to you if you guys want to use it. This is just a video showing you guys what a way that you guys can get a bank account if you've been in check system. You can't open one. There are other ones. Chime has one as well, but they don't have physical branches, so it's kind of hard to do anything. I suggest Wells Fargo, but it's not a long term. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you got anything from it, man, please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So make sure you guys stay up. Get your credit score up. My name's EJ. This is Eccentric Digital Media Production. And until next time, you guys, my kings and queens, I'm out.